Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshiur Rahman. Dear viewers, if you would like to learn English from this channel, you will need to watch from the video number 1 because this channel teaches English to the students systematically. So, watch from the video number 1 lest any important points should be missed from here. Okay, let's come to the points. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about WH question. What is WH question? The question that starts with WH question words like who, whom, whose, what, when, where, how is called WH question. Okay, I am going to write on the whiteboard WH question. The question that starts with WH question words like who, whom, whose, what, where, when, why, which, how is called WH question. For example, what is your name? The second example, where will you go? Dear students, I have already written on the whiteboard the definition of WH question. The question that starts with WH question words like who, whom, whose, what, where, when, why, which, how is called WH question. For example, what is your name? Where will you go? Look at the example. What is your name? This is a sentence, question sentence, and this sentence starts with a WH question word. WH question word. For example, what? What is your name? What is your name? This is a WH question word. For this reason, this is WH question. The second example, where will you go? This sentence is also started with a WH question word. Where? Where will you go? For this reason, this sentence is also an WH question. Okay, what is WH? What is WH question word? The word I'm writing on the whiteboard. WH question word. What is that? WH question word. What is that? WH question word. The word having WH letters and indicating a question is called WH question word. The word having WH letters and indicating a question at last is called WH question word. For example, the same example, ho, home, hose. For example, ho, home, hose, where, what, where, when, why, which, how, etc. Look at these examples. Who, there are two letters W and H. Whom, whose, what, where, when, why, which, how. In all of these letters, in all of these words, we'll find two letters W and H. In every word, there are two letters W and H. W and H, W and H, WH, 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 WH. Okay, for this reason they are called WH question words. If you find WH letters in any word, that word cannot be a WH question word too, unless it indicates a question. The question must be. For example, white, well, white, well, or while. These words are not WH question words, although we find W and H two letters in every word. There is W and H, W and H, W and H in every word. We find W and H in every word, but they are not WH question words at all, because by these words there will be no indication of question. They do not indicate any question. They do not indicate any question at all. For this reason, they are not WH question words. To be WH question words, there must be a question at last. They are not WH question words. Okay, dear students, that's all. If you have any question regarding WH question, or WH question words, you can write in the comment box. I will try my level best to answer. If you would like to know about WH question in detail, watch the next videos one by one. Thank you for watching this. For more videos, subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.